How to add countdown timer to Shopify. Hi everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you on how to use the countdown timer app in Shopify to create a sense of urgency and boost your sales. First is we need to install an app and let's search for countdown timer. As you can see, there's a ton of selections in here, but I'm going to select one that is totally free and it is sales countdown timer bar. Let's click this and then click install. The GA Sales Countdown Timer app is a free Shopify app that allows you to add a countdown timer to your store. This can be used to create a sense of urgency and encourage customers to buy now. So we need to complete these steps for us to enable to customize our timer. And then you will be directed to the steps, and for the step 2 you need to enable the app. Click this one, or you can just do it on your Shopify store as well. And you will be directed in your online store, and then now as we can see it is already enabled. And then once it is already enabled, you can go back and then hit next and then hit let's go. And now we are ready to customize our countdown timer app. First is you need to set a campaign. We need to put a name, for example, September sale. And then we need to pick a look for our shop. You can choose top or bottom bar, product page only, or on your cart page only. I will be choosing this one. Then click next. The app is easy to use and offers a variety of customization options. You can choose the type of timer you want to create a schedule or fixed length. You can customize the appearance and choose where you want to display it, and then you can also use the app's targeting options to show the timer to a specific customers or on a specific pages. In here we can change the text, like for example buy now. You can also change the font if you want, the size, and then you can also change the timer message, sales, for example, just so you can see on how to edit this one. You can also change the time, the days, the hours, the minutes, and the seconds, or a countdown to a date. For example, you have a specific date, it will be starting in, like for example 25th until 27th, and then 27th then hours, then you can calculate it, and then it will be show that it will end in 2 days and 55 minutes. You can also have the option to put a button, a call to action button, and then if you are satisfied with your design you can change this one. Then if you're already satisfied, click choose position. If you want it to at the top or at the bottom, you want it to have it fixed, you have the option to. Then you can choose a design. There are several options in here depending on the season, the color. We'll be choosing this one. And then you can have a wallpaper at the background. Also you can change the color, the design, the title type. And then if you're satisfied now, you can click next. And on this step 2, you can choose a condition. You can only show it on your cart value if it triggers within the minimum and maximum cart value you specify within this setting, or you can change and show it by the URL, or you can show only for login customers, or you can show this funnel only on a specific one. And if you don't have any condition, you can hit save. And then that's it. Our campaign is now already up. And if you want to look at it in your shop page, we can go to our Shopify dashboard and then view your online store. And there you have it. You can now set your countdown timer in our shop page. So overall, this timer app is a valuable tool for Shopify merchants who want to increase their sales, reduce cart abandonment, and promote their products. So thank you for watching. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more Shopify tips and tutorials. Thank you and see you next time.